So, hi. So, yeah, I've just bumped into this beautiful man who came up to me to say, I came to your workshop last year, and he just started telling me his experiences still. So, I just wanted to capture this here. What's your name, sorry?
My name's Pavel.
Pavel.
Pavel, yeah.
Pavel. And, tell me a little bit of how it was for you, Pavel.
Yeah, so I was wandering in the outside area of the festival, and I was following my friend, and I wandered into a workshop, and so it was about the movement. I had no expectations. I just thought I'll stick around and tune in, and I stayed for the whole thing, just being present in my body. I don't even remember if there was music, because I felt the music within me. I was creating the music with my movements, with my limbs, just following the energy, just that I suddenly felt it. I know that it didn't come from space, nothing. It's within me. So the workshop really unlocked my ability to just feel my body, be present, and enjoy being the moving me.
Oh, that's so beautiful, thank you. And I so want to encourage more men to be more in their bodies and be more free and open, and it's so important because so many people think, dance, you're doing dance, and they assume I'm doing it just for women, and it is so not. Thank you so much, Pavel. So
Thank you.
Yeah, he just told me that I was doing a good job. That's why I thought I needed to pull out the camera to catch this moment. Okay, over and out. Thank you, guys.